Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and wanted to talk about something that is a question that came to mind, and also a comment that goes in the same direction that I saw on the channel. We were talking about accounts like Facebook and so on, and of course how to prevent any of your accounts from being hacked. And one of the things that is often overlooked is the use of another device than what you usually use. And by that, what I mean, if you go on vacation, for example, and you start using maybe the hotel's computer, you didn't bring anything with you. You want to have access to your bank account. You want to access maybe Facebook. You want to access different things. It's less and less of a problem because a lot of people now are kind of bringing along their smartphones when they go and travel, but there's still a lot of people that they will want to access some account of some sort through a computer in a hotel room or in a internet cafe and so on. This is a side where I always say do not do it. Never use a computer at a hotel, at a cafe, at any other locations than your own devices when you don't know how and well they're maintained. And the main reason for this is that a lot of them could be infected with malware that steal passwords, steal accounts. It could be also, you forget to log off and somebody will have access to whatever account you actually have logged into. So there's a lot of things and a lot of security risk in going into your email accounts, your bank accounts, Facebook accounts on another computer. So what I would say here is you're better off with, not checking anything on when you're on vacation. If you don't have your own devices to log into, then risk maybe losing your account, losing money. I've seen over time as a tech guy, many people that actually had their accounts hacked into, or even money stolen from the bank accounts because their credentials got stolen as they went through using a third-party computer for checking out all of those details. And if you do absolutely need to have access to any accounts on vacation, I totally recommend that what you should do is get yourself, even if it's the cheapest smartphone that just does the basics of going online, use that and try to use it on your own connections. Try to avoid as much as possible using Wi-Fi from an hotel or from any online public Wi-Fi sources. You're better off getting some deal with your cell phone carrier that will actually give you a deal for an international data package, that at least you'll know that you're probably safer using the data from your phone directly than using any other devices, any Wi-Fi, public Wi-Fi, or any device because you don't have anything with you to check your accounts. So this is the main privacy concern of going on vacation. You're better off bringing, either a cheap smartphone or a low grade Chromebook, for example, that you can maybe use on some internet connection. But avoid public Wi-Fi. Avoid using the hotel or or internet cafe computers, and just be careful what you do when you are away from your home and using technology. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.